Résolument tournée vers la modernité, l'Union africaine s'est lancée dans un processus d'amélioration des méthodes de travail ayant pour but d'identifier les différents goulots d'étranglement, changer progressivement les habitudes par des actions concrètes, simples et peu coûteuses pour effectuer cette transformation. Une initiative tant révolutionnaire qu'efficace qui commence à porter ses fruits.
Actually, the approach that we are applying here is the Kaizen, where Kaizen is a Japanese methodology on process improvement. Kai means improve, and Zen it means continuous, which is mean continuous process improvement for all the activities that we have. We are working closely with different divisions and units by reviewing all the processes related to recruitment, for example, purchasing, procurement, and trying to find out the gaps and how to fill the gaps within it.
Pour toucher du doigt les réalités de cette transformation progressive, rendons-nous dans les locaux de l'unité de gestion des magasins de l'Union africaine. Ici, une véritable révolution prend forme depuis 2 ans.
In the stores, we have 2 basic activities. One is the materials management aspect, and the other one is the asset management aspect. For the 2 major activities that we are holding in the stores, we were developing policies which assist us in carrying out our duties. And one of the policies that we have already developed, we put SOPs in place so that it assists us again in delivering our duty. The other one is in terms of capacity. That is the physical facility that we have here in the stores for medical items and also different store handling equipments. We're trying to develop our capacity and improve our manpower or human resource. And the third one is in terms of system itself. We are using SAP system to handle all our work here, and we've been improving it.
Des résultats concrets obtenus grâce au dévouement du personnel de cette unité.
And this again comes from the personal satisfaction and motivation that the staff are getting, and then by understanding what's trying to be done here in the stores and then the process that we are trying to improve.
Autre lieu, autre environnement, même engouement. La direction de la programmation, de la budgétisation, des finances et de la comptabilité. À pied d'œuvre depuis les premières heures de la matinée, l'équipe travaille à trouver des solutions afin de permettre à l'Union africaine de s'arrimer à la modernité à travers des transactions et une gestion financière digne de l'Afrique que nous voulons.
Sorry to bother you.
No, it's all right.
Did you manage to release the PR for the...
As of yesterday, no, I didn't manage. We are talking of Agenda 2063, which has brought in a lot of volume, a lot of transactions, a lot of stuff, and a lot of complexity alongside it. If an organization cannot move in terms of reviewing its processes, either we will be reacting to scenarios or we will be proactive. In our context, we have been very reactionary, and we can no longer afford to be in that kind of scenario. I wanted to talk about how we move money across Africa. We have been carrying money on the back of our pockets to service missions. Now we discovered that this is not sustainable.
Améliorer les méthodes de fonctionnement pour apporter des solutions aux problèmes de transport d'argent pour le personnel de l'Union africaine à travers le continent. Un processus qui s'inscrit dans une série de réformes progressives qui portent déjà ses fruits grâce au partenariat avec certaines institutions bancaires.
We've had to engage our partners, one of which is EcoBank, where we have brought in a system which we call the M card, the mission cards. One of which I have is this one in particular, is a Visa card. Now we are able to load money, give it to staff. They can use this card across Africa.
La mutation de l'Union africaine dans l'optique de respecter l'agenda 2063 pour l'Afrique que nous voulons impose une implication de toutes les parties de l'organisation, depuis la base jusqu'au sommet, dans un équilibre aujourd'hui trouvé et implémenté par l'équipe Kaizen.
We come up with a new approach that I can say it was only for the AUC, where we form a kind of team members consisting of both parts, the head of division in some cases and the officer who doing day-by-day job. That take us some time to apply it, but by the end of the project we realized that it was a very effective way to make a combination between the two methodology instead of applying only one approach.